Hey guys, it's me, Ronnie Boy. I'm on my way right now to meet up with my pal Leanne, who does cosplay. She makes all kinds of costumes and accessories. Let's go. Hey Leanne.
Hey Ronnie Boy.
Wow, what is that?
Have you heard of League of Legends?
The video game.
There's this character Katarina who wears this kind of armor on her arm.
Cool, we're gonna make the other one like this?
Yeah, we're gonna make the second one today and I'll show you how to do it.
Awesome, let's do it. Okay, so what do we do?
So first we're taking this piece of EVA foam. This is what most cosplayers use to make armor and cool costume stuff.
Cool.
It could be made to look like metal, plastic, wood, a lot of different things.
Ah.
So we're gonna take this pattern, we're gonna cut it out.
I guess if you want to get it as accurate as you possibly can, you probably should use a pattern.
Yeah, or you can make your own with paper first, and then see how big it is, and then just keep fixing it until it looks good.
Good idea. All right.
This is like a small X-Acto blade. Be very careful with this. Don't use it until you're old enough. And we also have to sharpen it regularly, like this.
Oh.
Just tracing through.
That looks super scary and sharp.
And I'm not going all the way through, I'm going about halfway through.
Now you're peeling it off after you cut it, right?
Yep. That's our basic shape. It's okay that it's a little messy. And this is the pattern for this outside layer. There's actually 2 layers here. We're gonna cut this out on this piece of foam. So this is also the same foam as this, just different color and thinner. Ooh, a hair. We're peeling out all the pieces very carefully because this can rip. It's very thin. So now we're going to bend this, and for that we need this heat gun.
Oh, what does the heat gun do?
It's going to soften this up enough so we could curve it, and if you hold on to it while it cools off, it'll stay.
Oh.
Be very careful with this, it's dangerous. Very hot.
Kids, don't be using this. Need your parents, right?
Yeah. So I'm going to heat up both sides. I'm going to bend it. I'm going to do it again so it's even softer, and then hold on to it as it cools off.
Cool.
Make it curve. We want the edges to curve in too. Okay, so now it's curved. You can see it's holding that shape. This one I don't have to heat it up because it's so thin. But now we're going to make a few marks where we're going to put the glue, and then we're going to glue this on.
Cool. Let me get a Ronnie Boy real quick. I'm just kidding.
You caught me off guard.
Also, you're just making marks right now?
Yeah, put glue on and try not to make a big mess. This is contact cement. It's the glue we use to attach foam to foam or foam to plastic.
Oh.
And this stuff smells bad. You should wear a respirator to use it. Good thing we're outside because this stuff is smelly.
Very smelly.
Not that good for you to breathe in.
Yeah.
Make sure you're in a room with windows open or you're outside. And we're gonna put it on the other piece.
Oh, all right. And then you're just gonna attach it to this, huh, when you're done?
Yeah, very carefully.
Pat it down, make it real dry.
So now we got both pieces painted and they're dry, but they're actually gonna stick together permanently.
Wow.
So here we go. We're gonna be very careful about it.
Gotta make sure you're accurate, because there's no turning back, right?
Mm-hmm.
Looking good.
This is called a rotary tool, or some people call them Dremel. This is for cleaning up this edge. It's gonna make it nice and smooth.
Oh, like sanding it, right? Is it like
it's really,
a sanding tool?
Really small sander.
Oh.
Got white specks and black specks.
Ah, kind of messy when you do this, huh?
Not very glamorous.
But it's all gonna be worth it, right?
I hope so.
Now what we got going on?
Now we gotta make these 2 spikes. And for that I'm gonna use foam clay.
Hey.
It's a moldable foam, kind of. It's like a really cool thing. That's pretty new.
Sweet.
So we're just gonna mold it. It ends up not heavy and hard like normal clay, but squishy and flexible.
Okay. So if I make something I kind of want to change it, it's not going to be too difficult to kind of redo it or do something else, right?
Before it dries.
Before it dries. Cool. It does feel cool. Is it edible?
No, don't eat
Okay.
it.
I just want good to know.
And make a little spike. You could do whatever you want.
Okay. I guess I am gonna try to make a snowman. I'm not really good at sculpting things, but I'm gonna try my best.
You can do it.
Yes, mamski. There, see, look. Not bad, right?
That's pretty good.
Yes, sir. I wanted to make a mini little bird. It's a little dove. Cute, cute, cute. I'm gonna make something really, really cool. A snake! Yay! Okay, I just finished making my last animal. Guess what this is? It's a cat, baby, baby! And it's a happy one too, look. Meow, 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 meow. Do cats sound like that, Noah?
So now we're done and we're gonna glue them on. Like this.
With your contact glue.
Contact cement.
Contact cement. You're right, that does smell. And
Yeah.
it doesn't smell very good, guys.
No. We're gonna let that dry for a few minutes.
Pat it down, make it real dry.
The pieces are dry and now we're gonna stick them on. See?
Voila!
Try to hit it off, it won't come off.
Nice. Okay. Wow, good job with this. What are we doing next?
Now we're going to paint it with Flex Bond and water to prime it for painting.
What is Flex Bond and what is priming?
Flex Bond is a type of primer. Primers are used to make paint look better. So first you prime and then you paint.
Oh, okay, cool. Wow, this looks like glue.
It is kind of like glue, yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit of water.
Because you said priming, you do it before painting. What exactly does the prime do?
If you paint without priming, it's not gonna look very bright. It's just gonna soak into the foam and look dull and patchy.
Oh,
So
okay.
we want it to look clean and even and bright, and this is gonna help do that.
Gotcha.
So here we go, we're just coating it with a layer, and we'll probably do 2 layers.
Okay, now we're walking to go paint this bad boy over some tarp, which is on the grass. That way we don't, get paint all over the floor and stuff.
We're using spray paint, so you gotta wear a respirator. Safety
Wow.
first.
Okay, I'm gonna be out of the shot because I don't want to be inhaling that stuff because I'm assuming it's probably really bad for you, right? Okay, I'm sure she said yes. Cool, here we go.
So I got some pieces of leather, cut them out and attached them here. So a little piece of foam, I sewed it with my sewing machine, and a little piece of Velcro. And then for the stitches, I just took this silver pen and drew them on because it's so much easier. Bold and bright is good.
Yes, mamski.
We're finished painting.
Wow.
Pretty good. I think we're ready to attach the leather part.
Uh-huh.
So I'm just going to glue this Velcro here. I'm going to glue this here.
Uh-huh.
And then you'll be able to wrap it around your arm and Velcro it here.
Sweet. Almost there.
Contact cement is dry, and now we're gonna stick it together. Careful. This is the other side.
Cool.
That's it. It goes around like that. We're done.
Ta-da! Awesome work, Leanne.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wow, look how cool this looks.
Now you could be tough like Katarina from League of Legends.
Yeah, how does she do it? Like this? Ha! Ha! Is that it? Cool, all right. Well, thank you so much for showing me how to make this
You're
thing.
welcome.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And as always, it's me, Ronnie Boy. Peace.
I need a big hug, a big, big hug. I need a big hug, a big, big hug.
Yeah!
I spilled